Righto, Sid man, greetings. I'm just going to show you the Wi-Fi system available for the G-Scan. This is the little aerial here. That's the one the dongle that plugs into your computer. So we'll plug him in down to the USB port. Rightio, it's transmitting away. Now, this is the program you need to run the wireless Wi-Fi. That's available from the G-Scan Oceania website. Every time you do a software update, you need to load the new one on. The last one's not compatible with the new one. Okay, so we'll hit that, open that up. Right, we're greeted with this screen. This is our opening screen that we use for, well, it just starts us off. As you can see, it's pretty much the same as the, it's just an emulation of the G-Scan screen up on the PC. So we'll hit diagnosis. Now it's trying to find a connection. Oop. Okay, we need to turn the G-Scan on first. So come over here, I've got my Hilux in here running, idling away with the G-Scan connected to him. We need to hit F1. That sets up the Wi-Fi mode. Okay, now it's got something to look for. This is the dongle that plugs into it. It's supposed to have a nifty little pouch that goes into the, oops, nifty little pouch that goes into the to the G-Scan. Into the handle. They should do away with the original handle. We put this in, but mine didn't work from day one. It's pulled straight out, so I don't have a handle. It doesn't matter. And it's plugs in the top there. Alright, so that's now going to be emitting a signal for this one to look for. So we'll try again. Okay, diagnosis, undertake wireless connection, and yep, looks like it's found it. Okay, same thing. There's the G-Scan screen emulated up in your PC. You can't alter the size. That's one thing I don't like, especially with my eyes getting worse. Right, so we can flick through all the different manufacturers here. Obviously this is Toyota, so we'll just go Toyota. Now you can just double click on everything here until you get to a certain screen, then you need to go down to the bottom here. So international, passenger car, all model, all type, 16 pin. Looks really fast, isn't it? Rightio, here we go. Now this is where we have to go down to OK. We can't double click from here. Good thing I've got a beer on hand for this one. Right, we're away. Okay, same thing. You're greeted with the same screen you'd find on the G-Scan. Your trouble codes, your live data, flight review, flight record review, actuation test, special functions, whatever. So I'll just go back up to live data. This is what I was talking about during my post on Auto Nerds. We'll go live data. And this will give a new meaning to slow. Rightio. Come on, load up. Here we go. I don't know if you can sort of see those values there and the various PIDs. We've got a very, very slow refresh rate. Almost non-existent. And I've tried revving the car and watching them, and yeah, no, there's not much. There's not much cop in the live data, but anyway, it does have its good points. That's why I say I use it for injector coding and that, because I like to sit here and use photographs of the injector codes that I take with a macro setting on my camera. and maximise, minimise it, things like that, just to get all the codes done really quickly. We'll go back and we'll look at some of the actuation tests. Actuation tests. These seem to operate pretty quickly. I guess you just not really. It's not trying to sample a whole lot of information, I guess. So we'll do injector balance or power balance. Select. Start. Oh, test failure. It didn't go too good. What happened there? We'll try again. Cancel. Alright, we'll try that one. Select. Power balance injector 2, start. No, test failure. Alright, well, this is making a liar of me now. Cancel. We'll get through these tests, we'll find something that works. Injection pause cylinder 2, let's try that. There we go. Probably can't hear it in my epoxy little camera, but that's actually dropped. That's actually dropped the injector out number 2. Stop. I'll say as Rod would say, the latency is quite low on it, quite slow. What else can we do? We'll go back. So overall, the whole program is quite slow, but special functions. So we'll see what's in there. Okay, that's mainly for your diesel side of it. You've got all your injector riding and all the rest of it. Supply pump initialisation. Back. So anything that's actually control. Oh, there you go. Got the part number of the ECU. But yeah, as I said to you in the post, mate, it's everything's quite slow. So it's up to you if you want to fork out the folding stuff for it. It is quite slow. Say it's with certain things it is good, but the G-Scan's actually got a nice long lead anyway, so you can, as you know, you can operate it from under the bonnet and whatever, so maybe you don't actually need this, but anyway, I just thought I'd shoot you a quick vid so you can see it anyway. I'll send you through the link. Okay, see ya.